What is good, y'all? It's QueenSit and I'm back with another video. And it's been a while. It's been like 3 weeks since I dropped a video. In the last series of videos I dropped, I rode from St. Louis to Pittsburgh to New York to go camping with Babes right out to New York City to Washington D.C., New Jersey. I went so many places, y'all. Philadelphia, and I went to those places for the first time in my life, so it was so crazy. So anyway, and that's not even all of it, y'all. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know I've still been traveling. I just got back from Minnesota. I went to Wisconsin, and I have some vlogs coming this week for you and into the next week. So make sure y'all stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on, y'all. So many people tell me that they missed some of my videos because they didn't know I dropped it. So you have to just go down to my profile, click notifications, turn them on. So just scroll down. Go ahead and like the video if you want to while you're at it, because that helps my videos get seen to more people. And then we connected. So listen. This vlog right here, I went out with some of my friends a couple of weeks ago, and I mean, we went to a cabin and it was so scary. We went on a girls trip. So I rode my motorcycle. You're gonna see me following my friends, and they're gonna follow behind me. And we're gonna go to this cabin in the middle of the woods, and it was so much fun, like so much fun. So I'm excited to share this vlog with you. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you stay in tune to my videos. I hope you connected with me on Instagram because I have so much coming to you. It's QueenSit. I am your Harley-Davidson ambassador. Is going down right here on my channel. Let's go. What's good? It's QueenSit. Today I'm getting ready to go out of town with my friends to a cabin in the woods. So this is gonna be crazy. I'm so excited. I've never done nothing like this before. So we about to hang out, party. It's an all girls trip and it's gonna be dope. Let's go.
And a little bit more.
So right now I'm headed to meet my friends at a grocery store parking lot, and we're all gonna park our cars by each other and get prepared to take this road trip.
If I call, know you gon' slide. He pull up in a foreign ride.
Of course I forgot to get gas, so I had to go to Quick Trip and get a full tank of gas. And while I was there, I saw a group of motorcycle riders, so I decided to stop and say hi.
But that ain't the worst thing that's gonna happen. I mean, shit, it rain. Rain got you?
Yeah, I was raining and I went over the train track.
Oh.
The guy behind me said my tire's still going to take. How are you?
Hey.
We live. Y'all want to shout y'all Instagram out or anything?
Okay? Oh, look, man, she got the I'm getting me one of them. Billy King, Billy D 73. Look at you see how that 73 show up and still look like an old man?
Y'all just riding?
Yeah, we about to go out to the the lake, and then we're gonna hit 364. I'm gonna open them up a little bit.
Oh, so y'all finna get excited.
Give them a little taste, and then we're gonna hit 270 to 44, and then.
Okay. You get ready to hit the road.
excited to take this trip with my friends. It was a good time to sit on my bike and reflect on the accomplishments I've had after driving to New York, after driving to Washington, D.C. This was just a quick trip to sit back, relax, and kind of just appreciate life and the moments that come.
Oh, but they drove away. This look like the birds when they come get us. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh my God! Look at them in the house. Look at them. Look at them. Okay, let's drive and turn around.
You scared?
Yeah, I really feel like someone's gonna come in the window, like,
Oh my God.
and like with like torches. That's what I'm picturing.
Like them scary ghosts.
Yeah. Remember when we saw a ghost?
Oh, hey. Oh, this is cute.
This is the king room right here.
This one ain't scary.
This one's fancy.
We scared, y'all.
Is this your guys' room?
Look at
Hey, I was scared too.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
windows
come in here.
was open. I'm like, nah.
this one.
I know all the windows are open. Look at this chandelier. Dang.
Oh, let's see the I'll be honest.
Ooh. It's giving scary movie.
Look, scary movie. I had to turn the lights on.
Yeah. See, this is literally off the scary movies, guys. Like this, I'm pretty sure this house was probably in a scary movie.
You think it's haunted too?
Don't say that.
Y'all said we gotta
Lord,
watch.
we need.
We watching a scary movie. Y'all said it.
I don't want to watch a scary movie no more.
Oh, look at this room.
Y'all, this is so creepy. What is that little sea swan? We back here in the cut. It's scary back here. You not scared?
I'm not scared of nothing.
You not scared of nothing in the world?
No.
Oh my God. I just feel like somebody gonna be looking back at me if I look out the window. This house. Where y'all at? Where y'all room?
Ours down there off the game room.
Never.
They got this.
The dogs are here. Look at them in. Girl, but they was lighting. A ritual. Ashley.
I know.
Damn, the things you said they gonna have outside. The
That
lanterns.
is literally what I pictured.
Those the
They're
lanterns.
gonna walk up to us tonight. Isn't it?
And what you gonna do?
Look at that bathtub.
Ooh.
Okay, master bathroom. I want to take a bath. I think look, they really set out like love candles.
You gonna take it? Girl, I said for to say the ghost blowing up in here.
I want to take a bath. I've always wanted to take a bath in this house. Does it work even?
Yeah.
Isn't this the cutest little bathtub? Like I really want to take a bath.
No.
in it.
Video. This is a YouTube video. That's giving ghost. Look at it.
Ooh, did you look at the shower?
Let me see. Oh, this me tonight. Oh my God.
What?
I'm in her.
I'm scared of being here by myself. You take it. Oh, there's 2 showers.
I don't know what the. Is that the hot tub up there? We going up there? No, I'm scared. Y'all, we parked all the way back there in the dark.
That one.
Actually, I'm scared. You heard a wolf? Listen.
A wolf.
Oh, never mind. I heard something. You heard them frogs?
Yeah, we gotta make this quick.
Okay.
We're the ones that go out by ourselves in the scary movie.
Yeah, and then
And you know when I
and
start
is it the
running,
white girl or the black girl that get killed first?
You know I'm gonna trip and fall when I have to start running.
And you got on flip flops.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now. Actually, I can't stop running.
Erica.
What you see?
I don't know.
Actually, go. I'm scared.
Yeah, it's like
You saw something?
no, it's the reflection. Can you shine a light over that way?
Yeah.
Your light's not enough. We need 2 lights.
Okay.
Okay, it's the reflection.
Yours on?
It's not.
Girl, we need real flashlights. We came out here with cell phone lights. Oh my God. Oh What is this house right here? Girl, I'm finna start screaming. The house all the way back there.
You got to do a bag?
No.
The Walmart bag, girl.
I gotta put my bike cover on. It's so many bugs. That bug spray ain't working. These the real bugs out here. Girl, even when I go camping, it don't be like this. Hey, how you feel right now? Are you scared? Are you scared?
Not yet, but when we watch that movie.
Scared of what?
The environment, it's like killers out there.
Oh, damn, we got killers in here.
Right.
You a killer?
Yes.
Girl, you gonna be the first one running. Ashley, you have to put this on it first, honey.
Oh, okay.
No, this is my temperature. I can flip. Look.
Okay, consider that.
Let me get that for Airbnb. Where's Harley?
It's actually got...
Why are you at the table like you in middle school? Sit back, relax.
Thank you.
If you've ever been hacked on social media, no.
Oh.
Get a car back, girl.
You just didn't know.
That's a good thing, by the way.
Okay, guys, we woke up. We made it through the night. Ashley's under the pool table over there. How'd you sleep?
Man, now I know why this is $13. Not good. My whole shoulders feel like I broke it.
Really? But it looks so comfortable. Probably nobody could probably hear you because you're moving and talking.
Oh, that's another thing. Like, you can't even move without waking up the whole house. I was in here trying to roll over like, hey, I'm waking everybody up.
Yay. All right, let's get this day started.
Hey, Chef.
Hold on.
I'm so sorry.
This place is crazy. This is beautiful.
You should have listened when I said that.
Somebody gonna make my plate.
Hey, ho.
You gonna make it?
I'm so tired of you. But yes, I'm gonna make
My auntie make my plates. Okay. We got a movie night in the dark, and we're watching The Conjuring with a projector. Hey, that one back. Ooh, come on. Vegans and me, both of them. Thank you. You're doing an excellent job. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, everybody's. Hey, Ash. Everybody's going to the pool and you're in the bed.
Don't do that. I'm waiting on everybody to get dressed. Is everybody dressed? Don't.
Yes.
Oh, don't leave me. Wait.
We're not that good.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Wait. Don't leave me.
Hey, we having so much fun. It's a great time. Don't choke, sis.
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry.
That's funny. So I held the prop.
Taking my stuff out of the way. You got dirt on that chair or anything.
Hello.
How you doing?
You'll have the chairs and like. Yeah.
For me?
That's what all the fans understand. My globalization. Serious XM.
Let's sit here. We have a spraying contest.
Don't hold up. Don't hold out.
Can you spray my back?
It's not very big.
Look at me. And even though we both fly, give each other space and not the.
I'm gonna try to turn this bike around on this freaking hill that I've so dreaded. I just can't risk that. You see how them rocks right there look like they gonna just start moving?
That's how I broke my foot.
See?
So.
Look what y'all talking about.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah, we're strong.
A little bit more. One more. Thank you.
Okay, do you want me to be behind you or in front of you?
I don't need it. Oh, when we leave?
Right now, yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Be behind her, but you gotta give her some room.
Oh! See what I'm saying? Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Face, baby.